Welcome to the Scape Technologies manufacturing facility, where hard workers like you help shape the world. This program was made to help ensure the safety of all employees at all times and to deliver the best products possible. You may be asking yourself, why am I being shown this tape? I already went through the training. I know exactly what to do. Don't worry, Scape Technologies trusts you. Accidents can happen, and we here at Scape want to make sure you know how to prevent accidents or minimize the damage. You are our priority. The first module of this safety video is fire prevention. Fire extinguishers. You see them everywhere. But have you ever thought about how to operate one in an emergency? There are important factors to consider, such as the type of fire, the size of the fire, where to aim the extinguisher, and how to use it. First, let's cover the type of fire. You will likely either be dealing with a Class C fire, electrical equipment, or a Class D fire, combustible metals. In the case of a Class C fire, please be sure to use a dry chemical extinguisher. Never use water or foam-based extinguishers, or you could be electrocuted. As for Class D fires, these fires require specialized techniques in order to extinguish the fire. None of the common extinguishers should be used, as they can add an additional chemical reaction and potentially make the fire greater. Now, for using the fire extinguisher, follow the pass method. Hold the extinguisher upright and stand back 8 or 10 feet and pull the pin. Ask that you keep all material in their proper locations, and make sure all hallways, corridors, and exits are kept clear. Blocking any electrical panels or exits is a safety violation. The next module in this program is personal protective equipment. Use of personal protective equipment will reduce exposure to hazards when engineering and administrative controls are not feasible or effective. Here is a list of mandatory personal protective equipment that every employee must wear for the entirety of their shift. Number 1, a safety helmet, also known as a hard hat, to protect workers against impact and/or penetration of falling, flying, and stationary objects. Number 2, safety shoes. Workers performing tasks which potentially expose them to extreme foot injury hazards shall wear metal foot protectors. Number 3, safety goggles. To prevent employee eye exposure, Scape Technologies requires all workers and projects to enforce eye protection use. Impact-resistant safety glasses and side shields, prescription lens safety glasses and side shields, vented safety goggles, and non-vented safety goggles are all approved forms of eye protection. Number 4, hand protection. Sharp or hot objects, chemicals, and biological or electrical hazards can all be prevented with the use of industrial or work gloves. Number 5, hearing protection. Many manufacturers in time over hearing loss and preventing from hearing other hazards. Number 6, harness lanyard. A harness lanyard is necessary for when you are working more than 6 feet or more above a lower level. Now that we've covered personal protective equipment, we can move on to the next module, cooperation. You will have many coworkers, some of which you may become more and more familiar with over time. It is important to note that Scape Technologies was built entirely on cooperation and teamwork, and we continue to pride ourselves on just that. If your fellow employee asks for a hand, it is completely okay to step away from your station to assist them. The bottom line is the safety of our employees, and every supervisor is well aware of that. There may be times where your coworker may be acting suspiciously or may be exhibiting strange behavior. In this case, please report it to your supervisor as soon as possible. There may also be times where your Congratulations on making it through this safety program. It's time for you to change the world with Scape Technologies. Good luck.